Samboy Lim, the country's skywalker, ay tinitingala sa larangan ng Philippine basketball. Alam niyo ba na nang atakihin si Samboy noong 2014, ang nag-alaga sa kanya ay ang kanyang dating asawa at ang kanyang anak na si Jamie.
It's extraordinary the family that you have. You are a family, but you're a broken family.
Well, that's our version of family. Kakaiba lang, pero pwede. Notes of Jamie and Lelen to Dad, November 28 to January 13, 2015.
Ipinakita nila sa akin ang mga pagkatago-tago nilang liham sa pinakamahirap na yugto ng kanilang buhay.
I miss you so much. I know your body just wants you to rest. And Jamie, I love you very much.
At paanong nagawang maging summa cum laude at gold medalist pa sa karate si Jamie kahit na nagmula sa isang broken family?
Idol ko ang mom and dad ko. I just try to grow up and be like them. Madali naman po sila maging idol.
Inilagaan ninyo mag-ina si Samboy Lim noong 2014. Ano?
2014. Ang bigat mo.
Tara, get to know the extraordinary family of Samboy Lim.
Come with me, put your hands together, ta-da, let's be happy. You will see tomorrow's brighter, ta-da, let's be happy.
Pilipino tayo, kaya lumalaban tayong nakangiti. Nandito tayo ngayon sa bahay ni Jamie Lim. Sino si Jamie Lim? Ay, naku, sa mga kaedaran niya, kilalang-kilala niya siya, syempre athlete. Pero sa mga baguhan pa, baka kilala niyo si Samboy Lim o di kaya si Attorney Berberabe. Ay, siya lang naman ang kanilang uning kaiya. Hey! Hi, don't bite me! Hello there! You're nice daw. Maybe you could smell. Are you a girl or a boy?
Boy.
I think you can smell uni, no? Na? Nagpa-makeup ka ngayon? Or marunong ka na?
Ayan lang ang aking everyday. Hindi, nagising ako na yan.
Oh, makeup like this. Ay, wait, sorry, kaibigan ko si Attorney Lelen. Matagal na. Dalaga pa ako.
Marami na kaming pinagdaanan.
Kaya makeup ang tinanong ko talaga.
Hello. Pero dahil kuripot ako, nag-aaral na ako ng papaano mag-makeup para kaya mo na araw-araw.
Thank you.
Gosh, parang ang lalo kang bumata.
Hang out with the young, that's the technique.
Yes,
Ni Maki,
exactly,
Jamie,
exactly.
oh. Yeah. Notes of Jamie and Lelen to Dad, November 28 to January 13, 2015. So ito yung mga parang nilagay namin dun sa wall niya nung sa ICU. So ito yung kapatid niyang bunso, ito yung mom niya na mahal niya pamangkin. Yan.
Ba't ako naiiyak? Ba't hindi kayo umiiyak? Parang solid nyo, girl. Ba't hindi kayo iyakin?
Ito yung
Ay,
Naku, iyakin.
Ubus na.
Yan yun. So, parang everyday, papunta kami. Hi, Daddy, get well. We all miss you. Everyone's praying for you. We really miss you na po. We all believe that you will put up a great fight.
High school ka nito?
Yeah.
Yan, may date. Ako yata yung naglalagay ng date. Sometimes siya, yan, I miss you so much. I know your body just wants you to rest. Get back up. Ito naman yung akin, Jamie, I love you very much. We're your number one fans. We'll always be family. Yan. Yun lang. Mga simple lang ni, parang bond paper nga lang. So, nilalagay ko lang siya dyan. Yan. Parang 3 weeks siya na in coma. You know, you opened your eyes for a long time until I finished my kwento. I was so excited. Today, Jamie pinched your ring finger on the left hand. You moved your shoulder all 3 times. Okay, we do not stop to believe. We know you can wake up and our love will help you gain back your health.
You remember that moment? Not anymore.
Yan, malapit na po mag-New Year, Dad. Wake up na po. I know you will soon because all the signs show na you're improving.
I'm glad you kept it.
So, nasa ICU siya.
Was that the hardest part of your life? That chapter?
Yes.
Saan kayo nagkakilala palang mag-asawa?
Ay, may nagpakilala lang. Tapos
Kasi
parang-
abogada ka na nun? Wala pa.
No. Philosophy. Teacher ako nun. Sa UP.
Oh.
Graduate pa lang ako ng philosophy. Kaya ako, isang dahilan kung ba't ako nag-law, sabi ko, nag-aantay na lang ako noon na mag-propose si dad. Ang tagal. Hindi mag-propose. Sabi ko, sige na nga, mag-aaral na muna ako. Napakatagal. Wala yata ako asahan dito. So, nag-aaral muna ako. Kaya, nagpakasal kami, 95. Second year ako sa College of Law.
It's extraordinary the family that you have. Yeah. You are a family, but you're a broken family. Can you help me make sense of it? Tell me.
So,
How do you define your family?
That's our version of family. That's our version talaga and direct experience talaga. Of, baka nga yun ang pagmamahal at commitment at respect. Nakakaiba lang, pero pwede, kaya. Marami akong mga nagsasabi sa akin, siguro, gusto mo paano, mahal mo pa. Parang ako, hindi ko di naman dinideny because, it's a different kind of love lang. Yung hindi na siya romantic. So, syempre, wala naman akong expectation na babalik yun. So, but why do you still do it? Because there's, I guess, love. At there's respect. So, clear siya eh. So, wala siyang tumpik-tumpik na, ay, sumasobra na itong ginagawa ko. Walang ganun. Kasi siya yung tatay ni Jamie. Siya yung taong I decided to get married to. So, forever family.
Inilagaan ninyo mag-ina si Samboy Lim noong 2014. Ano?
2014.
2014. Mabigat ba that responsibility together?
Ay, mabigat kasi unang-una malungkot dahil kahit na he survived the heart attack, hindi naman niya na-recover ang maraming faculties. So, hindi naman siya nakakakita, hindi siya nakakapagsalita. Meron siyang tracheostomy, meron siyang, he is being fed through a peg tube. So, mahirap na makita ang isang mahal mo sa buhay at family member na gano'n. So, si Samboy pa, parang ayaw nun na nagpapaalaga, ayaw nun na independent siya sa ibang tao. And then aware siya, may level of awareness. So, pag alam mo na ganun yung sitwasyon, at saka dati we had a conversation na sabi niya sa akin, Mami, kapag meron kami nung ninong na naging critically ill din, tapos halos wala na ring movements masyado. Sabi niya, ayoko magkakaganyan ako ha. So, hindi ko na, parang wag nyo na akong i-revive, wag nyo na akong, wala na yung mga surgery pa, kung vegetable na. So, we had that conversation. So, yun mahirap yun. Tsaka pag pupunta kami sa kanya, one way ang kwentuhan. So, dati, si Jamie nanalo sa SEA Games. So, pero wala naman siyang reaction. So, sometimes may luha na tumutulo or minsan nakaka-smile siya and then there are days na walang reaction. So, iba-iba yung level of awareness niya. Mahirap na alam mo rin yung prognosis dahil sinasabi sa amin ng mga doctors na ganyan na lang siya. So, from day one, parang alam ko yun. So, yun, ang bigat mo. Kasi parang na-survive niya pero somehow nawala na rin siya. May nawala na hindi mo na marirecover. So alam ko noon na hindi ko na siya makakausap. Hindi na siya makakausap ni Jamie. Hindi na niya magawa yung pagiging tatay kay Jamie. So yun talagang yun ang mabigat.
I am a karate girl. I also am a very dedicated student.
Karate, ba't hindi basketball?
My mom and dad enrolled me in basketball. Pinilit. Pero ang dami daw boys. When I was 6 years old, mga 200 people, and I was the only girl. So I ended up, change sport tayo. So we tried a lot of different sports for me also.
So, dun sa sports, talagang sinuportahan ka ng pamilya mo, ng magulang mo?
Not only support, they were the one who forced me to.
Ayaw mo before?
Yeah, when I was young, syempre, I just wanted to lie down and enjoy. But they saw the value in sports kasi and what it can do to a child, especially in growing up. So I really thanked them because I didn't want to, especially sa karate. I said, "Mom, can I just stop? Dad, can I just stop?" But they didn't let me. They said, "No, this will be good for you." And I really thank them for that, for making the decision for me.
Pero nasasaktan ka. Masakit yun
Masakit.
Bakit mo pinapasaktan ang anak
Ay,
mo?
oo nga.
What's wrong with you,
So, alam mo
Mom?
na may pagka-weird talaga. So, pupunta yan, may pasa, may cut. So, pati lahat, tinutulig sana ako ng nanay ko, lahat ng mga kapatid. Bakit mo ba pinipilit? Sabi ko, ano naman ang gagawin sa bahay? Hihilata? O, wala tayong gagawin, manood tayong TV. So, sabi ko, believe ako sa sports na yung values ng sports na ituturo. So, sabi ko, wala ka mang mapanalo ng tournament dyan, I'm sure may matututunan ka para sa buhay.
Hindi ka natakot na masaktan rin.
Ay, natatakot. Lagi. Isa-isa pang anak, babae, di ba? Kasi nung preschool siya, sabi kasi nung teacher sa akin, Mami, yung anak niyo po masyadong mabait, inaagawan ng laruan, parang pumipili na lang ng iba. Kailangan po yung marunong siya ng dumipensa sa sarili. So ako naman, niliteral ko. Self-defense daw. O sige, hanap tayo ng martial arts. So kaya karate. Sinubukan namin ng karate.
Maganda pala karate niya. Kasi masyado ka mabait.
Masyado daw siya mabait. Kasi solo ang anak eh. Pagka, parang hindi sanay ng may nakikiagaw. So, pagka kinukuha daw yung laruan niya, kukuha na lang siya ng iba. Pili siya ng ibang laruan.
Mabait si JB.
Mabait. Growing up, parang wala ako naging problema.
Nakabilib ako sa'yo. Matanda ka na din ha. Grabe, ano yung bata. Kalma lang.
Oh, ganda.
Kaya.
Ganda.
Dapat ito na lang kaya.
Galing.
Ilang taon ka na ba?
Buti pwede kang magsisisipa ng off-season kasi di ba parang ayaw nilang ma-injure yung mga atleta.
Oh, we still train them. We still train.
Araw-araw.
Yeah.
Yung tipong narinig ko, yung training daw kay EJ, yung hanggang masuka ka na. Ganun
Yes. Oh my gosh, I remember. Yes.
Nahanap ko yung ganung workout, yung masusuka ka na. Ay.
It's really, sakit. Nakasuka. And then, iiyak na lang ako after training kasi pagod na ako.
Anong mas mahirap, mag-aral o mag-train
Mas
for
mahirap.
sports? Anong mas
Train. Training for sports, I think. Yung aral, I think, it's just hard to be consistent. Yung everyday. Kasi, it's a long time. Like, college is 4 years. You have to do that 4 years straight. But the training, kasi if you don't train, ikaw din yung kawawa.
Okay, alam
Oh
mo,
my God, kanina ba rin nagmano?
No.
Ano pinakain mo sa kanya? Pwede mo ba sabihin?
alam mo, nung elementary siya,
Mm-mm.
hindi evident na matalino. So, nung grade 6 siya, nag-graduate siya ng parang best in sports. Okay, so, ako, nursery pa lang ako, Bernadette, napaka-nerd ko. So, lahat na ng mga awards kukunin ko na sa probinsya namin. So, sabi ko, ay, parang hindi yata.
Kasi si Attorney Perparate, sumusuma cum laude lang naman. Summa cum laude ka,
Yes,
no?
philosophy. Nag-valedictorian ng College of Social Sciences and Philosophy. So, 30 years after, so Jamie then graduates from UP Diliman, BS Mathematics, summa cum laude, and valedictorian of the College of Science.
Grabe yung goosebumps. Okay, so sabi mo, hindi automatic.
Hindi evident na matalino. So, ako kasi nag-tutor sa kanya. So, okay. So, sige, namana sa tatay kasi best in sports, best in karate. So, okay, high school, umasenso, naging with honors, best in sports, and then, she studied BS Mathematics. So, mga first year niya, the first 2 semesters, pinapakita sa akin yung grades. Uno-uno, sabi ko, baka nakakachamba to So, baka first year lang, hindi ko pa pinamamalita, baka magka-pressure. And then, na-maintain niya. And then, sabi niya, Mom, yung transcript of grades mo, nasa phone ko, tinitingnan-tingnan ko lang. Kasi, lagi ko daw nababanggit sa kanya na, alam mo, Mom, sinasabi mo lagi, yung summa cum laude, dala mo buong buhay. And then, 4th year, summa cum laude, sabi niya, Mom, mas mataas yung average ko kesa sa'yo. Sabi ko, yeah, siyempre naman anak, improvement of the race. So, si Samboy naman, kasi kalahati daw doon kanya. So, so kalahati pa lang daw yon sa biro ni sa tatay siya. Alam ko lang nung high school siya na na invite siya to be in a special class, advanced science and math. Magaling siya sa math, tapos pinagkumon ko rin siya noon. Komportable siya sa math as a language.
1+1. Very good. What makes your daughter a great athlete?
Galing, power of the mind, yung lakas ng isip niya, nadadala niya yung katawan niya. So kahit minsan may limitation siya na hindi siya masyadong athletic or parang pag may mga exercises sila hindi niya nakakaya, pero nagko-compensate siya on other things. Inaaral niya yung kalaban niya, and then hinahaluan niya ng strategic thinking. Kasi mas madaming iba na malakas sumuntok, malakas loob. So siya, may ang lakas nung contribution nung strategic thinking niya. Nagagamit niya yung mathematics niya siguro doon.
Actually. Yeah. Karate is very, strategy based. Like, some can get away with just like skill and no thinking much. So yun, I use my brain a lot. And that's hard kasi it's a lot of things at the same time. You have to be ready for their attack. You have to be ready to attack. You have to think about the overall strategy. What's she thinking? What should I be thinking? And the stress on top of everything happening at the same time. So yun, it's hard. Idol ko ang mom and dad ko mostly. So I just try to grow up and be like them.
Idol mo talaga sila.
Really. Madali naman po sila maging idol.
Ba't idol mo ang dad mo?
Because when I was growing up, he was so sikat. He was very famous. He was the best daw na basketball player. And then, I would see, we'd go sa mall, maraming magpapapicture, but he would be so humble. Parang at home, I would never feel that. Walang ere. And so I wanted to be like him.
Describe your dad.
Parang hindi niya, he knows when he plays na he's really amazing. Pero after that, he's like a normal person. He's very down to earth. And he's very hardworking as an athlete. And I just really want to be like that. Kaya whenever I train, whenever I compete, I try to embody that. So, hindi siya mayabang. Pero, ang galing niya. So, really, that's what I want to be.
And that's the other side of Jamie Lim and her mom, Attorney Lalem. At kagaya ng palagi nating sinasabi, Pilipino tayo, kaya lumalaban tayong nakangiti. Be happy!